I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I've loved you for a day. I won't let go. I'll love you for a day. I won't let go. I can't.
Before I met you, I prayed. Look. Hello.
Joshua and Margot, you are marrying because you have been in this journey. You are marrying because each of you can grow in humanity and in love more fully while touching another. You are marrying because you can be more trusting of life as life. Keep this understanding fresh in our lives in the days ahead.
When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, and now I know I've met an angel in person. I don't deserve it, darling. You look perfect tonight.
Oh my God, sabi ni Joshua, ikaw ang nawawalang bahagi ng kanyang puso dahil binibigyan mo siya ng kabaitan. Ipinaparamdam mo sa kanya ang tunay na pagmamahal.
Mahal na mahal ko po siya. May mga ganito pala po.
Before I met you, I prayed, Lord, if you allow me to meet someone, I pray that you will be my first and last.
Ano po siya, mabait po na nurse, tapos maganda po siyempre.
That's why we need to share everything to our new family. Kayo ang gagawa ng bawat istorya sa bawat pahina ng inyong bagong libro.
Aking advice ay pagpatuloy mo yung kabaitan mo. At yan alam na ko yan. Bata ka pa, ikaw ay isang mabait, masunuring anak, sa magulang, sa iyong mga kapatid, sa iyong mga pinsan, sa iyong kapwa.
I see how the world moves around you. I see the pure light you always held on to. I see you, the impossible odds that you've gone through.
They say chance moments can change the course of your life. And I thought, what are those chances that brought us here today?
Keep swimming if you don't want to.
Before to start my simple share, I wanted to start the celebration with full of joy and happiness. Kasalan po ito. So kailangan lahat po tayo ay masaya. Masaya because it is not only two people that we're gathering here today. It is a two family.
I will wait patiently. Take all of the time you need. I'll be here when you're ready. When the waves won't.
I'm sure we will be the best team in this adventure because we can do better together habang si God ang sentro ng ating pamilya.
I see you. My world blooms around you. I see you. The pure light you always held on to. I want you, and I want
I fall for your kindness, beautiful smile, sound of your laugh, not to mention your farts.
Through every trial, through every circumstance, still you're
na asawa. Best wishes, Margot. God bless. Maging mapasensya at maging mabait lang na asawa.
today, tomorrow and forever. I will live for you. Today, tomorrow and forever.
We will achieve our goals and dreams together with the help and guidance of our God and of course our family. I love you, Joshua, always and forever.
Ang pag-aasawa ay isang munting biyaya na ibinigay at pinagkaloob sa atin ng Panginoong Diyos Ama. Ito ay biyaya ng kaligayahan.
Mahal na mahal kita at sobrang proud akong marinig na gamit mo na ang last name ko. I love you, Mrs. Tan.
You got me, I got us. All I see is you, and I promise to grow old with you.
Today,